For those of you looking for delicious espresso, we're going to take a look at the Illy Classico Espresso, 100% Arabica beans. But first, one way you can prepare this is using an espresso stovetop maker. And basically the way this works is you put water in the bottom, you put the espresso in the middle, you put it on the stove and it boils up. It's delicious. But this is the Illy Classico 8.8 ounce container. It comes in Classico, Intenso, Forte, and Decaf on a scale of 9 beans. This one is 5 out of 9. Not terribly strong, but it's delicious. So here's how you go about opening up a brand new container. For starters, it has a resealable lid, and then you just have to pop this additional top here. Just be careful, by the way, the lid is sharp. Also, make sure you don't pull too hard on it because you don't want those ground coffee to go everywhere. So just be careful with that. But that's a look at the Illy Espresso ground coffee.
Holds the actual coffee beans, and the water bubbles through and makes its way to the top, which then gives you a lovely coffee. What we're going to do here is we're going to pack out our coffee in the actual section below, and then we're going to add in the hot water on the bottom. So I'm already adding boiled water here. You can add cold water and let it boil on the stove, or if you're camping you can do it that way. Depends how you're doing it. However, it works very nicely when I'm already pre-boiled it. I add in all the necessary and put that pot back in, and when it bubbles up it will actually come to the top, and it works nicely and gives you a great option. So if this helps you if you're thinking about buying this. So once you actually get it sorted out, you can screw the lid back on and have that onto the stove itself. And what that will do is the water will boil in the bottom, and because of how it works, the water will get dragged through the coffee beans and it'll come straight to the top. You'll see it slowly spouting out. Keep the lid closed because it can spout out. I'm showing you this so you can see how it works, but yeah, you want to keep the top lid closed. You'll see slowly as it boils it will start rising, and as steam rises it goes through the coffee and creates you a nice cup of tea. There you go, you can see that little bit there, and it filled the top. I adjusted it so I didn't show you the full thing, but a bit of it spilled everywhere. So yeah, carrying on, you can see it has its own nice unique feel and look to it as well. So you can basically pour it out and add a bit of milk, and you've got something there which would be a mocha style coffee.